So if you're just starting out and you don't know what you want to do, here's something that's taken me a long time to learn, that the future is being made right now. And the lexicon of tomorrow ultimately is decided by you. So if you set out making work that looks like something that you've seen before, you're not really creating anything new, and you probably won't end up being celebrated as inventing some new work. But if what you're making is so unusual that no one's ever seen anything like it before, that it's so horrible that no one likes it, or it's so terrible that people just can't stand it, and you're terrified to show it, you're probably on the right track. And then if you can just keep doing that and keep standing there doing it, even when everyone tells you it's terrible, do it over and over and over, and eventually the whole world will begin to recognize what you've made, and then it will be part of the lexicon, and you will have been the inventor of it. See, the future will look how you make it look, but you have to make something that no one's ever seen before. And as artists, we have to make what no one's ever made before. But you don't have to be brave all the time. The bravery will come in those moments when it's needed most. You just have to be free and just explore what you want to do, and then just keep doing it over and over and never give up. And remember, whatever you spend your time doing, that's what you're going to end up doing more of. So if you have to constantly be going to do your job, that job is what you're going to do most of. But if you find a way to spend at least as much time doing the thing that you're trying to invent for yourself, then you're on track to creating yourself as an artist.